Setting up continuous deployment with AWS Amplify is a streamlined process that enables developers to automate the build, test, and deployment of their applications. To begin, create an AWS Amplify project by installing the Amplify CLI and running the command amplify init in your project directory. This will set up a new Amplify project and create a few default files. Next, connect your Git repository to AWS Amplify by running the command amplify add storage and then amplify add API to create a new backend API. Then, create a new branch in your Git repository and make some changes to your code. Commit these changes and push them to your repository. Once your code is in the repository, navigate to the AWS Amplify console and create a new Amplify app. Choose the repository you just connected and select the branch you pushed your changes to. Amplify will automatically detect the changes and start building and deploying your application. To automate this process, set up a webhook in your Git repository to trigger an Amplify build and deployment every time you push new code. This ensures that your application is always up to date and reflects the latest changes. Best practices for continuous deployment with AWS Amplify include automating as much of the process as possible, using environment variables to manage different deployment environments, and monitoring your application for errors and performance issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a seamless continuous deployment pipeline with AWS Amplify and focus on developing and delivering high-quality applications.